Changing the default PDF viewer on your Android phone is a two-step process. First, we'll sort of clear and reset the current default app, and then we can pick a new one. First, we'll need to know what's currently set as the default app. I'll go to my files and open a PDF just to see what app it opens in. If you get to this point and you're not sure what app you're looking at, you can go to the app switcher like this and you'll see the app icon here. That's what's currently set as the default app. I can see mine opened in Google Drive, so we'll make a note of that. Now that we know the current default app, we can go to the settings and reset it. I'll go to Settings and from there scroll down to Apps. Then in the list of apps, you'll want to find the app that's currently opening your PDF files. In my case, that's Google Drive, so I'll find Drive in this list and go to the settings. Here I can see a menu called Set as Default. I'll tap that and here we'll have an option to clear all the default settings related to this app. That's it. Now this app is not the default app for PDF files. If the Clear Defaults button is missing, sometimes you'll do the same thing but toggling off the Open Supported Links switch that's displayed above. Now when I go back to my files and open a PDF document, my phone will ask me what app I'd like to use for viewing PDF files. All the compatible apps currently installed on my phone are listed here. And once I choose an app, I have the option to either use this app for this one time only, or set my phone to always use the same app for PDF files. And that's how you change your default PDF app. Click the like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this.